Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject reasoning. This is chapter number 9, puzzle 2, blood relation. So today we will learn about blood relation. Lecture number 9. So what is puzzle? Puzzle refers to something confusing that is to be solved. Puzzle क्या है? Puzzle ऐसा है जिसके अंदर आपको कुछ कंफ्यूजन होती है और आपने उस कंफ्यूजन को सॉल्व करना होता है. ओके, नाउ ब्लड रिलेशन. In blood relation types of questions, normally 2 or more or 3 generation of a family is given and their names are given. We have to read the question and find the correct order of the family tree. ब्लड रिलेशन टाइप क्वेश्चंस में हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, हमें 2 और 3 जनरेशंस दी होती हैं किसी भी फैमिली की और उनके नाम दिए होते हैं. हमें उससे क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से रीड करना है और फाइंड आउट करना है कि व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन देम. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी विद एन एग्जांपल. इफ A is the son of B. A जो है वो B का बेटा है and C is the sister of A और C जो है वो A की sister है. So what is the relationship between B and C? So here first of all we will write that what is A? A is the son. So here we will write A. Okay, son. किसका son है? B का. It means we will write B here. Suppose B is the father of A. Okay, and C is the sister of A. अब C जो है वो A की सिस्टर है इसलिए हम उसी रो में उसको रखेंगे क्योंकि हमें सेम जनरेशन को A की रो में रखते हैं. ओके बेटा, तो C हम यहाँ पर लगाएंगे. C is the sister of A. ओके, तो what is the relationship between B and C? तो क्योंकि ये इसकी सिस्टर है A की, तो B और C का रिलेशनशिप क्या होगा? फादर, एंड ये इसकी बेटी होगी तो डॉटर. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन B and C is father and daughter. Understood? Now, homework questions. So beta, today I am giving you homework of blood relationship questions. So you have to read it carefully and understand what is the relationship between. If A is the brother of B and B's son is Z, अगर A जो है वो B का भाई है और B का बेटा है Z, how A is related to Z? तो बताइए A और Z का क्या रिलेशनशिप है. In question number 2, if A is the son of B and C is the B's wife, ठीक है, A जो है वो B का बेटा है और C जो है वो B की वाइफ है. How C and A are related? Now in question number 3, if A is the father of B, अगर A जो है वो B के पापा हैं and C is the father of A और C जो है वो A के पापा हैं, how B and C are related? तो बताइए B और C का क्या रिलेशनशिप है. ओके, now in question number 4, if A is the brother of B, C is the son of B, how B and C are related? Okay, now in question number 5, if C has two sons, अगर C के दो बेटे हैं A and B and B has two sons X and Y और B के भी दो बेटे हैं X और Y, so how Y and C are related? तो बताइए Y और C का क्या रिलेशनशिप है. ओके, now homework solution of chapter 8 alphabet series. So I had given you homework, okay, based on questions alphabet series, lecture number 8. So today we will discuss about it. In question number 1, I had given you Z1, comma, W4, then dash, then Q10. So let's solve it. Here what is given to us? Z1, W4, then dash, then Q10. बेटा Z1 मीन्स कि यहाँ पर जो हमारे अल्फाबेट्स हैं उनके लास्ट लेटर होता है Z. Z को इसने 1 काउंट किया है, W को इसने 4 काउंट किया है. ओके, so first of all what we will do, first of all here I had written counting as well as alphabets, okay, from the back. Okay, so here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 26 alphabets. So here I had written counting from 1 to 26. And because Z is 1, it means A is 26. Okay, so let's start from A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So here first number is Z1. That is this number Z1. Then W4. Here is this number W4. So beta, between Z1 and W4, Y2 and X3, they have leave these two numbers. So now again we have to leave two numbers with two alphabets. That is W से पहले क्या आता है बेटा V और 4 के बाद 5, तो V5 and U6 we will leave, and then T7 we will write here in this blank. Okay, so where is the option T7? That is in option number B. So here missing combination is T7. So our option number B is correct. So here we will write T7. Understood? Now in question number 2, it is given A, B, B, C, C, D and then dash. So here you can see beta A, B. It is our letters A and B. Okay. Then we will start from B and next we will take one letter. Okay, so BC we have taken. Then CD. So C and one more letter D. So now which combination comes here? So let's see. AB, then B repeat हो रहा है, BC, then C repeat हो रहा है, CD, then D repeat हो रहा है, DE. So here which combination comes? DE. Understood? And DE is an option number A. So we will write option A is correct. DE. Understood? Now in question number 3, it is given SE, TD, UC dash. So here you know all the alphabets. So here what is given? S, E, T, D, U, C. तो यहाँ पे बेटा S के साथ इसने E लिया, T के साथ D, U के साथ C, and you know after S which letter comes? That is T, and after T which letter comes? U. So U के बाद कौन सा letter आना चाहिए? That is V. And here E, D, C. E से पहले D, D से पहले C and C से पहले B. Understood? Like this you can see S, T, U, V, E, D, C, B. So VB is our answer. Okay, and that is in option number C. So option C is correct option. So we will write here VB to complete this. Okay. Yes, beta. Now in question number 4, it is given A, B, C, comma, H, I, J, comma, dash, comma, V, W, X. So we have to fill this. So first of all, we must know what is the relationship between this. So here you can see that all letters are there of our alphabets. Okay, so first of all we will write all letters of alphabets from A to Z. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So here you can see in first we have three alphabets A, B and C. So here it is written A, B and C. Then H, I, J. H, I, J is given. So between A, B, C and H, I, J, D, E, F, G means four letters are missing. So again we have to leave four letters K, L, M, N. We have to leave these four letters and then we will write O, P, Q. Understood? So here O, P, Q is the right answer and it is in option number B. Okay, so here we will write these missing letters O, P, Q. Understood? So option B is the correct option. Now in question number 5, AZ, BY, comma dash, comma DW. So here again there is a relationship of letters. So let's write A to Z first of all. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So now first one is A, Z means first letter of alphabet A and the last letter of alphabet Z. Okay, then second letter of alphabet B and here second last Y. So now which combination comes here? That is the third alphabet turn is there and from the last third alphabet. Okay, and that is X. So C X. Okay, should be there. So what where it is CX, it is in option number D. Okay, so option D is the correct option. Understood? Thank you.